We all crave growth, it's in our DNA. Training is the key. It unlocks potential, builds confidence, and opens doors to new opportunities. Whether you're a student, an employee, or a CEO, the right training can change your life. Think back to a time you learned something new. Remember that aha moment, that feeling of accomplishment? That's the power of effective training. It empowers us to be our best selves. Imagine a young woman, shy and unsure, taking a public speaking course. She learns to find her voice, to project confidence, to captivate an audience. This is more than just skill development, it's personal transformation. That's why designing effective training programs is crucial. It's about empowering individuals, igniting passion, and fostering a love of lifelong learning. Studies show that companies with comprehensive training programs have 218% higher income per employee. Additionally, employee retention rates increase by 30 to 50% when companies invest in training. Effective training not only boosts performance, but also fosters a positive work environment and enhances job satisfaction. Before embarking on any journey, you need a map. In the world of training, that map is the needs assessment. This crucial first step helps us understand the gap between where we are and where we want to be. Start by asking questions. What skills are lacking? What knowledge gaps need to be filled? What are the specific challenges faced by your students or employees? For students, it might involve analyzing their academic performance, identifying areas where they struggle. For employees, it could mean evaluating their current skill set against industry standards. Once you've gathered this information, you can tailor your training program to address these specific needs. It's about meeting people where they are and guiding them towards their full potential. Every journey needs a destination. In training, those destinations are our objectives. And not just any objectives. We're talking about SMART objectives. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These 5 elements are essential for setting clear, focused goals. Let's say you're designing a training program for new salespeople. A SMART objective might be increase monthly sales by 15% within 3 months of completing the training. See how specific, measurable, and time-bound that is? By setting SMART objectives, you provide a clear roadmap for your training program and a benchmark for measuring success. Section 4. Building your roadmap curriculum design. With your objectives set, it's time to build the roadmap your curriculum. This is where you get creative. Think about your audience. What will keep them engaged? Variety is key. Incorporate interactive activities, group discussions, case studies, and real-world simulations. For students, gamified learning platforms can make acquiring new knowledge fun and engaging. For employees, role-playing scenarios can provide practical experience in a safe environment. Remember, people learn in different ways. Offer a variety of learning experiences to cater to different learning styles and keep everyone motivated. Section 5. Bringing it to life training materials. Your training materials are the tools that bring your program to life. High-quality materials are crucial for effective learning. Think about textbooks that are well-written and visually appealing, presentations that are engaging and informative, or online modules that are interactive and user-friendly. Consider using a variety of formats, videos, podcasts, infographics, to cater to different learning preferences. Make sure your materials are accessible, relevant, and up-to-date. Remember, your training materials are a reflection of your program and your commitment to quality. Invest in creating materials that will inspire and engage your learners. Section 6. The learning journey. Implementation and evaluation. Now comes the exciting part, putting your plan into action. Implementation is all about creating a supportive and conducive learning environment. Whether it's a physical classroom or a virtual training session, make sure the space is welcoming, comfortable, and free from distractions. Provide learners with the resources they need to succeed. Just as important as implementation is evaluation. Gather feedback from your participants. What worked well? What could be improved? Use this feedback to continuously refine and improve your training program. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow alongside your participants.